Hi everyone, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is I suppose a trade alert update. I wanted to give you the heads up of the strikes that I'm thinking of picking for our next trade. It's going to be a 3-week long trade, and I just wanted to talk you through it first of all, and then you can make your own mind up whether it's the right trade for you or not. So what I'm looking at here, and what I was waiting for was, first of all, this downtrend to end. That ended a couple of days ago. Then I wanted the 200-day moving average to be taken again, and that was taken today. Obviously, the ceasefire has made a huge difference. And now the market is up here near the 50-day moving average. So I just want to bring a couple of levels to your attention. 6,300 was the low that it got to. So when all the volatility was at its peak, 6,300 was the low. And the strike I'm considering at the minute is the 6,400 strike. Now, some of you might be going, oh God, Steve, if we'd have placed this trade a few days ago, we could have been right in the 6,000 puts. But don't forget what was happening a few days ago. We were talking about the complete unknown. We didn't know whether Donald Trump was going to try and obliterate Iran, what the repercussions for oil prices were going to be. Now we have some certainty, we have a ceasefire. We also know that in the height of this and all the rhetoric that the low was 6,300. So if anything's going to get a retest, it's probably just around that level there. And I'm happy to consider strikes just above it because we have a certain degree of certainty here at this minute in time. So looking at the trade, I'm going to start with the US 500 challenge. And again, this is for people who are based in Ireland and the UK where it's tax-free. The returns are. We're looking at, just to put it into perspective, we're looking at the April 30th expiry. So that's roughly 3 weeks from now. And looking at around the 6,400 strike. So you can see on offer at the moment is about $31 per point. So that will get us more than our 2.5% return on investment if we did our usual, I suppose, 12 points per 10,000. So remember, this is based on a 10K account. We're saying our maximum bet size is 12, okay? Now, if we let that run to expiry, that's going to give us about a 3% return on investment. We'll probably close it down early, okay? So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Now, straight away what I look at here, folks, is, well, what if this starts to go wrong? What am I going to do? So, first things first, the strike we're picking is only about 6% out of the money. And the reason we're only going 6% out of the money is the volatility is just after getting crushed, obviously because we have a small bit of certainty in the market. So what we're looking at now is, well, where could I roll this out to and down if it started to go wrong? So in other words, if the S&P fell from where it's currently at 6,788 down towards 6,400, where could we roll it out and down to? So I'm already looking out to May and I'm going, okay, well, whereabouts in May is going to roughly give me in 30 per point in order to get me out of the April contract and roll it down to a lower strike. And you can see there it's down at around 6,000. Now, at this moment in time, I will be happy with that, primarily because we know that 6,300 was the recent low with all the rhetoric going on. We know we've got a 2-week ceasefire. If that lasts, 2 weeks of time is going to have eroded. So I suppose our odds are much more in our favour with that. So that's why I'm kind of comfortable with the 6,400 strike at this moment in time. So that's what I'm looking at doing, guys. When I pull the trigger, I will let you know. I'll send it out in the WhatsApp group. But pretty much selling the 6,400 for every 10K in the account, 12 is the maximum size. So if you had a 20K account, it would be 24. If it was a 30K account, it would be 36, okay? Moving on then to interactive brokers, which is your traditional options. My preferred method would be using the MES Futures, but the strike is going to be the same whether you use SPY or XSP, okay? So what we're going to do is sell the April 30th MES Futures put option for the June futures contract. And you can see the premium we're taking in here at the moment is 26.75. Now, if you look at the probability of profit in this trade, it's telling you it's a 95% chance of being profitable. Okay, now just on this one, on the MES, right, for every SPY trade that you would normally do, you would actually do 2 of these guys. So it's just because of the contract size is only 31,000 versus the SPY contract size is over 60K. And also you could actually even stretch that to 3 if you really wanted to. So when you're doing an order for a 10K account, it'll be a quantity size of 2 or 3 on this per 10K. If you had a 20K account, it would be 4 to 6 contracts. And don't forget the multiplier here is 5. So for every contract that you sell, you're taking in here roughly $140. So for this trade, we would take in pretty much $280, which would give us a 2.8% return on investment if it expired worthless in 21 days time roughly. Okay, so that's the trade we'll be looking at, just to give you an idea finally of what it would look like with SPY. SPY obviously is a slightly different contract. For every 10k you'll only be doing one contract of this. Okay, and we'd probably switch to XSP, to be honest, because of the lower margins. But if you have a higher account, you can use SPY. Again, it's the April 30th expiry, and you will be looking at the 640 strike here on SPY. And at the moment, you're taking in here the guts of $330, which would be 3.3% here. And again, your profitability of profit there is about 94% on this particular trade. So 640s to strike. April 30th is the expiry. Whether you use MES or SPY in this one, roughly with SPY, for every one contract of SPY you would sell per 10k, you would do 2 or 3 of MES. And then for finally, again, back to people for the UK and Ireland, because this is tax free, this is where it makes sense to do it in your IG account. You'll be doing a bet size of 12 for every 10k, and again it's the same 6400 30th of April expiry. Okay, this is Stephen with an update. Thanks and bye for now.